Balik lagi sama Ali di channel Play.id dan kita sekarang main FF7 lagi guys. Lanjut ya. Dan betapa indahnya opening ini. Indah. You know what? Pepe. Ya langsung. Terakhir kali kita udah sampai lawan Rufus ya. Dan kita berusaha untuk keluar dari sektor 7 ini sekarang. Sektor 7 lagi. Shinra Building ya. Oh itu ada Tifa ya. Neng Tifa. Where's Rufus? Run away. I couldn't finish him. This is gonna get complicated. Ini bakal makin rumit ini kata si Cloud. Kok mereka udah sampai bawah duluan lo ya Rit? Bentar. Gue gimana nih? Buset, materianya hilang semua Jack. I'll go on ahead. Baret bersih depannya. Fuck, we're surrounded. Kita dikepung. If I was alone, this would be a thing. Kalau aku sendiri sih nggak masalah, tapi aku nggak punya reputasi untuk dilindungi gitu. You all get out while you can. Kalian semua keluar selagi bisa. It's not you they're after, it's me. Bukan kalian yang mereka incar, tapi aku katanya. Yeah, well that ain't happening. You got caught up in this over Marlene. Now it's my turn to help you. Kamu ditangkap kan gara-gara nyelamatin Marlene. Sekarang giliran gua yang nolong. Okay, playtime's over, jackass. Thank you, Mr. Barrett. Who called you Mr. Barrett? That doesn't sound right. Mr. Well then, if you are through talking, may I suggest that we think of a way to get out of here? Oh yeah, you're cold man. Just like someone else around here I know. Kayak si Cloud maksudnya. Did you say something? Nothing. Not a thing. So, what are we gonna do? Barrett! Tipa nih. Duluan tipanya. Tifa, where's Cloud? Everyone over here. What's up? Where's Cloud? He's coming. Hurry. Lagunya. Iya, cutscene guys. Lagu ciri khasnya kalau motor-motoran nih. Keren lihat si Cloud naik Daytona guys. Harley Daytona. Gak si Tifa dari sekian mobil dia milihnya yang bemo loh. Buset, itu bemo bisa ngancurin gitu ya. Wah ini yang remake gila sih. Cakep banget ini gila di sini. Cutscene di sini keren banget dan si Cloud. Gila lompat sah. Dan inilah ciri cikal bakal adegan tarung di motor FF Children guys. Ini yang nembak ini. Forum party dulu gak sih? Bentar. Bentar materialnya Ji. Oh, copot semua ya. Ini lighting. Ini restore. Cover. Ya si nice aja lah. Undernya cuma satu. Oh, bisa phone party ya, bodoh lah. Gue pakai Red atau pakai Tifa ya lawannya? Atau pakai Red 13? Red ketinggalan banget ya levelnya. Udahlah, gini aja. Oke. Wah, ini juga jadi HD ya. Ih, susah. Kena tuh. Ih. Kena. Mantap guys, mantap guys. Gua benci banget loh ini di remake, serius. Salah satu mini game yang menyebalkan ya dan. Tapi di Rebirth cakep ini. Kalian kalau main Chocobo Racing guys, ada sih Cloud karakternya. Gini naik motor gini, lucu sih. Karakter Asia tapi nyumput. Aduh, dipepet. Udah nggak sih kalian tuh apa sih? Nggak kena. Udah ya. Ini guys, kalian kebayang nggak sih kalau misalnya ini jadi last boss di Final Fantasy 7 Remake? Kalau gue sih nggak banget sih asli. FF7 Remake diakhiri ngelawan last bossnya ini gitu. Gue sih nggak mau beneran gue mah. Back attack lagi. Cepem. Steal dulu. Oh, nothing to steal ya udah, ajar-ajar aja berarti dia mas. Slash. Jebret. Luas 300 loh. Gede banget ya. Gak epic guys kalau misalnya ini. Ya udah nggak usah diadain aja ini. Gimana ya kalau kata gue mah? Kalau kata gue mah justru Final Fantasy itu pasti terakhirnya lawan yang super boss gitu, yang gede-gede gitu. Kalau tiba-tiba dirubah apa? Cuman ini doang gitu, terakhirnya lawan boss ini kayak kurang sih. Kalau gitu tadi cure all ya. Gede itu damage-nya tuh si Barret. Buset. Gede banget, gila. Aduh, miss lagi. Mati, please. Belum mati. Mati dong ini mah. Untung nyerangnya baret. Mind blow. Wah, salah gua. Lupa gua itu. Baret, cure please. Cure si Cloud. Wah, mati ini mah. Wah, mati ya si Cloudnya. Seenggaknya bisa Phoenix. Aduh, salah lagi. Astagfirullahaladzim, apa sih? Apa sih? Salah. Cloud. Wah, gila. Sakit banget itu, gila. Pak, aduh, ini amat sih. Padahal gue udah pencet-pencet loh. Kadang suka mati ini Mai. Oh belum ya? Tuh, padahal gue pencet bawah loh itu. Matilah please. 80 nih damage nih. Nah. Tiba bangun tiba. Bot. Oh, si Cloud punya bot lagi, gua lupa. Burner 80 lah ya. Akhirnya. Ya udah jangan di part-part, gimana ya guys ya? Itu aja size-nya udah gede banget itu. FF7 remake tuh. Terus nggak dipecah jadi 3 gimana? What do we do now? Sephiroth is alive. I have to settle the score. Will that save the planet? Bisa nyelamatin planet nggak? Kayaknya iya. Then I'm going. Kalau gitu aku ikut. Terus berakhir di ujung gini gitu loh guys. Terus scroll gitu set. Asa nggak epic ya kalau kata gue mah. I'll go too. There are things I need to know. Ada yang harus aku tahu juga. Jadi aku harus ikut. About the ancient, many things, banyak hal. I guess it's goodbye Midgar. Akhirnya kita keluar guys dari Midgar. Wah lagunya ya. You know what? This is the first time I've ever left Midgar. Really? Are you worried? A little, no. Maybe a lot. But I have bodyguard, right? I guess this is the start of our journey. You hate traveling? I don't know, but I don't have anywhere else to go. So I guess it doesn't matter whether I like to travel or not. I'm going back to my hometown. I'll go with you as far as that. Ya si ini mau balik nih si Red. Then let's go. We need the leader of our for our journey. Because that would only be me. Hanya aku yang bisa jadi ketuanya katanya guys. Jadi leadernya. You think so? I think it should be Cloud. Kayaknya harus Cloud deh yang jadi ketuanya. Alright, go northeast to a town called Calm. If something happen, we'll meet up there. Kita suruh ke Calm, guys. Besides, we can all be strolling around out there. It's too dangerous. Let's split into 2 parties. Jadi bagi 2, oke. Oke. Pasti Erit sih kalau gua, ya. Baret, oke sih. Kayaknya Baret dulu deh. Tifa deh. With the 2 ladies. Don't you do that? udah disangka lah bakalan ngelakuin itu sama 2 cewek. Later at Calm. Akhirnya world map ding. World map akhirnya. Save dulu guys. Oke. Oh. Bentar, gua masih mempelajari. Calm itu kesini kan? Gelap banget dah ya. Perasaan gua doang apa gimana? Nah ini dulu apa gitu kan? Ini apa sebenarnya? Tapi sekarang kita tahu ternyata ini tuh ya geng motor lah. Aduh, materia gue di Erit lagi. Di Baret lagi. Sialan nih. Yaudahlah. Lord itu mana ya? Iya bener ini. Ini Calm. So this is Calm. I wonder if everyone there already. Let's hurry over to the inn. Let's go Cloud. Okay. Cloud, you're late. Yo man, you're late. Sorry to keep you waiting. Yes, everyone here now. Let's hear the story. You know the one about Sephiroth and the crisis of the planet? Let's hear it all. Nah ini baru diceritain guys apa yang terjadi sama apa yang dimaksud sama si Cloud tentang Sephiroth sama hubungannya sama krisis dari planet itu tuh apa. I used to want to be like Sephiroth, so I joined Soldier. Jadi cita-citanya si Cloud ini jadi Sephiroth dulu. Salah satu yang motivasi dia untuk jadi Soldier itu Sephiroth justru. Idolanya lah guys. After working with Sephiroth on several mission, we become friends. Nah, setelah ngelakuin beberapa misi, jadi temen akhirnya. You call that a friend? Yeah, well, he was older than me and hardly ever talked about himself. Si Sephiroth itu lebih tua dari dia dan jarang ngomong lah gitu. Jarang cerita tentang diri dia sendiri. So I guess you'd call us a war buddies. We trust each other until one day. Jadi kita percaya satu sama lain. Sampai satu hari. Ini tragedi guys. After the war, it was soldiers' duty to put down any resistance against the Shinra. Jadi setelah perang itu, soldier yang pokoknya yang ngabisin lah perlawanan ke Shinra gitu. That was 5 years ago. I was 16. Masih 16 tahun sih Cloud. Nah ini guys. It's raining hard. Sama Sephiroth lihat. Di sini baru diliatin ya sosok Sephiroth tuh gimana gitu. Ini pertama kali nih muncul Sephiroth gitu di flashback. Hey, how are you doing? I'm alright. I would know. I've never had motion sickness. Jadi mabok guys yang itu yang bawa. Everything's okay? Everything okay? Hey. Settle down. They give me some new materia. Nah ini guys. Ini ada orang yang nyampahin FF7 Rebirth karena teks ini doang gitu. They give me some new materia. Jadi ini tuh adalah clue nanti di masa depan. Kalau gue ceritain sekarang sih sedikit ini sih. Tapi nggak apa-apa nih ya. Ini spoiler guys ya. Gue ingetin ini spoiler. Jadi di masa depan itu kan Cloud bisa ngalahin Sephiroth kan. Nah ini tuh salah satu clue-nya kenapa Cloud bisa ngalahin Sephiroth gitu. Detailnya di sini. They give me so many new materia. Mereka ngasih aku. Jadi si Shinra ini ngasih si Cloud ini materia baru. I can't wait to use it. Nah ada kata-kata tadi dua tadi itu dihilangin di Rebirth sebenarnya. Jadi nggak ada tuh yang dia bilang dia dikasih materi sama dia bikin coba gitu. Just like kid, kayak anak-anak, bener-bener. Materi apa sih? Nanti gua kasih lihat guys. You're going to brief us about this mission? This is a typical mission. Good. Why do you say that? Kenapa ngomong gitu? I joined soldier to be like you. But by the time I made first class, the war was already over. Jadi begitu dia jadi first class si Cloud, malah perangnya udahan gitu. My big hopes of becoming a hero like you ended with the war. That's why I always sign up whenever there's a big mission, kind of a way to prove myself. Jadi dia untuk membuktikan diri si Cloud selalu ngambil misi gede. Say, how do you feel, Mr. Sephiroth? I thought you wanted to briefing. Katanya mau briefing. Our mission is to investigate an old Mako reactor. There have been reports of it malfunctions and producing a brutal creature. First, we will dispose of those creatures, then we'll locate the problem and neutralize it. Jadi banyak eksperimen yang lepas kendali lah gitu di Mako reaktor itu. Brutal creature? Where? The Mako reactor at Nibelheim. Nibelheim? That's where I'm from. Tuh, aku dari situ. Hometown. Kampung halaman. Sir, something strange just crashed into the truck. That will be our monster. Itu bukan monster kita tuh. Nah, ini keren sih, tapi jujur kalau ininya lebih keren ini sih, jauh sih. Lihat lagunya guys. 0 dong damage-nya, lihat 3000 dan si Cloud dikrokot meninggal langsung si Cloud. Gila, lihat betapa powerfulnya Sephiroth. Sephiroth's strength is incredible. He is far stronger in reality than any stories you may have heard about him. Jadi kekuatannya itu gila pokoknya mah. Bahkan lebih gila daripada yang kalian denger lah kalau di realitanya gitu. So, where do you come in? Me, I was mesmerized by the way Sephiroth fought. Jadi dia sampai terkagum-kagum gitu si Cloud. Lihat tarungnya Sephiroth. And then we reach Nibelheim. Akhirnya sampai guys di Nibelheim. How does it feel? Gimana rasanya pulang kampung? It's your first time back to your hometown in a long time, right? So how does it feel? I would know because I don't have a hometown. Jadi aku pengen tahu rasanya gimana sih pulang kampung karena aku nggak punya, gitu. Gak punya kampung halaman. How about your parents? Terus orang tua kamu gimana? My mother is Genova. She died right after she gave birth to me. My father. Duh, lagunya guys. Jadi ibunya Genova dan mati setelah ngelahirin dia katanya. Bapak gua nggak dijelasin siapa. Jadi gila lihat Sephiroth. Mulai rada aneh sih di sini. What does it matter? Alright, let's go. Kita lihat guys menunya ya. Oh, belum bisa buka menu, euy. Being on watch is so boring. You want to do just always do. Just sit tight. It's your job, right? Was it like this? Belajar pose dong. I really don't want to be in soldier. Kamu kalau keliling-keliling di sini jadi masalah ntar. Oke. The Mako smells pretty bad here. Yo, wait a minute. Isn't that the name of Sephiroth's mother? Yeah, Genova. I just remember Genova. That's that damn headless spook in living in the Shinra building. Yang itu yang tanpa kepala di dalam Shinra, yang kabur itu guys. That's right, Parrot. Would you please let us hear what Cloud has to say? You can ask the question later. If I was only. Okay, Cloud, continue. The childhood friend reunite. Kumpul lagi. I was really surprised with Tifa. The town was quiet. Sepi kota si ininya, kampungnya. Everyone must be in their houses, afraid to come out because of the monster. Jadi orang-orang takut keluar karena monster. No, maybe they're afraid of us. Mungkin mereka bukan takut sama monster, tapi takut sama kita juga. Oh, tapi beda ya pembawaannya berarti. We leave for the reactor at dawn. Make sure you get to sleep early. Kalau di sini tuh ibaratnya kayak ini guys. Orang-orang tuh takut sama kita gitu, Shinra. All we need is one lookout. So you others get some rest. Oh, and you may visit your family and friends. Coba. I heard Sephiroth was coming, so I brought my camera. I went to shot of Sephiroth and mother. Take my picture. Take my picture. I have to take picture of nobody's. You are your Cloud? Really? So that's how it is, huh? Nah, udah bisa guys. Nih guys, ini adalah clue yang ini sebenarnya gue salah juga sih. Menunya harusnya si portretnya si Cloud itu portret yang waktu masih muda. Tapi nggak apa-apa lah. Kita bisa lihat dia masih level 1 guys. Dan kalau dilihat hanya ada satu materia si Cloud yang pakai, yaitu preemptive strike. Increase rate of preemptive attack. Jadi dia itu bisa menyerang duluan lah ibaratnya. Atau bahkan biasanya back attack gitu. Nah itu spoiler ya. Materi itu tuh yang banyak teori itu ngebuat si Cloud itu bisa ngalahin Sephiroth dan bisa nusuk Sephiroth dari belakang gitu, materi itu tuh. Dan detailnya tuh tadi yang diomongan tadi, dan itu di Rebirth nggak ada. Tapi kalau kata gua, itu tuh bisa ada nanti gitu. Kayaknya mah bukan emang belum saatnya gitu. Si Cloud ngomong kayak gitu tuh. Kita lihat nanti ya, makanya part 3 ya. Dan kita belum tahu gitu nanti tuh di masa depan tuh kayak gimana si Cloud waktu sama Sephiroth. Hey, aren't you? Have I been here before? I don't remember. Ini rumahnya si Cloud nih. Ibunya. This is my house. It has nothing to do with that. With what happened 5 years ago. You wait, I wanna hear. Me too. It's been a long time, right? Tell us more. You saw your family, right? Alright. I don't know if you call it a family. My father died when I was still young. That's why my mother lived alone in this house. Yeah, I saw my mother. My mom, she was a vibrant woman, hadn't changed at all. But a few days later, she dies. Huh? But when I saw her, she looked fine. Yes? Cloud! Welcome home, Cloud. Hi, Mom. Come, let me take a look at you. You look so handsome. Ganteng ya. So, is this a soldier uniform? Ini seragam soldier ya. Mom, how you've grown. Kamu bertumbuh. I'll bet the girls never leave you alone. Pasti dikejar-kejar cewek. Not really. I'm worried about you. There are a lot of temptation in the city. Banyak godaan di kota. Yeah, I feel a lot better if you just settle down with a nice girlfriend. Kalau misalnya ketemu sama cewek yang baik, oke sih aku lebih tenang gitu. I'm alright. You should have. Kamu harus punya an older girlfriend. On that will take care of you. Jadi yang bakalan ngejagain kamu gitu, ngerawat kamu. Yang lebih tua lah dari kamu, Cloud. I think that will be best for you. Ini tuh basic dari kenapa si Cloud itu suka sama Aerith sih. I'm not interested. Wah gawat Cloud. Gawat aja pokoknya mah. Disuruh punya cewek sama emaknya ya udah didukung. Dia bilang nggak tertarik. Wah gawat nih Cloud. Bahaya aja nih si Cloud nih. Terus lo tertariknya sama apa Cloud kalau bukan sama cewek ya kan? Are you eating alright? I'm alright. Come to take care of me. Is that so? I know you can't cook. Kamu gak bisa masak. I've been worried sick about you. Aku khawatir banget. Cloud. Ini tuh kan. Isn't that right, Cloud? I always be your mother. Let's stop this. Sekarang kita ke rumahnya Tifa. You went into my house? Go in my house? Yeah. I thought you might be home. Ping, ping, ping. Di atas kalau nggak salah tuh ada ini deh. Ada piano yang bisa dimainin. Cloud, did you get into my room? Masuk ke kamar aku? Yeah. Masuk kamarnya dong. Ini bisa diperiksa guys. Nih, orthopedic underwear. Daleman dong. You went into my stuff? Cloud, it's true. Cloud, we're talking about something really important here. Ah, ini. Did you play my piano? Yeah, I jam on it. Ini harus ini deh guys. Ini tuh cara buat dapetin ultinya si Tifa nanti My Final Heaven tuh ini, seinget gua. I jam on it. Now how did this go? I forget. Ah, gitu. Kayaknya itu deh, udah deh. Nih. Oke. Nanti itu keluar guys. Di list 3. Oh, you're with Shinra. Welcome. Oh, I'm sorry, it's you, Cloud. I didn't recognize you. Shinra gitu pasti. Shinra. Yang satunya masih cadel. Soldier. Salza. Are you going to kill the monster? Are you going to? Ini tuh sedikit bedanya. Di sini ceritanya kotanya sepi ya, bener-bener gak hidup gitu di Belheim ini. Dan orang-orang itu takut sama soldier gitu. Ada pada masuk dalam rumah. Nih bentar. How come? Look, you never know when a monster gonna show up, right? Kalau di Rebirth, mereka tuh disambut, terutama Sephiroth karena karena dia hero gitu kan. Oh iya. Ini Sanggan ya. Is Shinra here to get rid of the monster? Bakal ngeberesin monster nih. And who are you? I'm Zangan. I travel around the world teaching children martial arts. Ini gurunya Tifa ini guys. I have 128 students all over the world. In this town, a girl named Tifa is my student. Did you say Tifa? Tifa has a good sense. She'll be powerful fighter. Bakalan jadi petarung kuat tuh ya Tifa. Is it you, Cloud? It must been 2 years. Say, you've really moved up in the world being under Sephiroth commands. Gila, si Cloud dari 2 tahun doang jadi first class soldier, gila, ya kan? What are you looking at? This scenery, I feel like I know this place. Kayaknya aku pernah deh, tahu deh ini. Ini sini siapa nih, si kunyuk nih? Very short on bed, short one bed. Lagunya bener di bawah itu ngangenin banget. Ding 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 ding. We have an early start tomorrow. You should get some sleep soon. Yeah, let's get some sleep. Duh. Bentar. Ada yang gua pingin cek dulu bentar. Takutnya ketinggalan. Jing. Oh, nggak boleh ya. Dispenser. No, I'll come here later. Oh, nggak boleh, ya udah, langsung aja berarti. Ya, let's get some sleep. I've hired a guide to the Mako reactor. Dia nyewa guide, guys, Sephiroth ke Mako reactor. I heard she's young. I hope we can rely on her. Gue harap kita bisa bergantung sama dia gitu. Telat si Cloud. Ini babenya Tifa ya, Tifa's father tuh. If I know this was going to happen, I will make mountain climbing off limits. Kalau aku tahu bakalan bikin batas nih. Once the guides get here, we're heading out. Listen to me, Sephiroth. In case something happen, trust me. It will be alright, Dad. I have 2 men from soldier with me. Aku punya 2 soldier sama gua, jadi aman gitu kan. I'm Tifa, nice to meet you. I'm the best there is, gitu kan. You can ask around here. I'm the best there is. Tifa, you're the guide? That's right. It so happen I'm the #1 guide in this town. It's too dangerous. I can get you involved in this. Aku nggak mau kamu bahaya kalau aku nggak mau bikin terlibat lah gitu. There's no problem if you protect her. Kalau kamu lindungi dia nggak apa-apa, aman kan? Let's go. Please let me take one picture for a momento. Tifa, can you ask him for me too? Mintain dong, mau foto gitu. Foto dulu nih si Cloud, Tifa sama Sephiroth. Cheese, cekrek. Great, thank you. I'll give each of you a copy once I get it developed. Naik ke Mount Nibel. A Mako reactor was built in Mount Nibel. The cold mountain air of Mount Nibel was the same. Ini Rebirth nih, tutorial di sini. Lagunya ya. It gets harder from here. Follow me. Ini dua ini bisa diajak ngomong gak sih? Let's hurry. Ah, the bridge. Bagus. Putul bridge-nya. Jatuh Jack. Tegas ya dan. Si Sephiroth jalannya begitu ya. Everyone seems to be alright. Will we be able to get back? These caves are intertwined like an ant farm. Kayak sarang semut. Oh, and Sephiroth one person seems to be missing. satu orang tewas ya. Dan it may sound cruel, but we've no time to reach for him. We can't go back, we must go on. We'll travel together from here. Gila level 50 guys. Sephiroth gila, lihat materianya max semua ya. Dan wall fire cuma satu yang nggak ada. Lighting. Senang ini mah ada Sephiroth mah. Biarin aja Sephiroth lah kebantai. Kelar langsung guys. Wall 3 Draga ya. Nah ini guys, tau nggak orang dulu tuh ya main FF7, mereka tuh saking pingin pakai Sephiroth sampai pakai Gimshark guys dulu. Jadi di cheat gimana caranya bisa ngontrol Sephiroth di bagian ini doang gitu. Dan kemarin waktu Rebirth mulai, ini Sephiroth bisa digebuk sama kodok. Tapi gua pribadi ya, pertama kali megang terus ngontrol Sephiroth, itu rasanya coy, gila, kaget banget ya. Gila playable Sephiroth ya. Seneng banget kalau gua mah. Walaupun iya sih kalau mau digituinnya mah. Gila coy, impian dari kecil tuh bisa playable Sephiroth kan? A mysterious color cave. It must be Mako energy. This mountain is especially abundant in it. That's why the Mako reactor was built here. Jadi kaya akan ini ya, Mako. Kata Sephiroth makanya di sini tuh dibikin Mako. Udah lah, langsung aja lah. Lagi juga ada item. Nah ini live string ya, ini live string guys. And what's this? Apa ini? A Mako fountain. It's a miracle of nature. It's so beautiful. If the Mako reactor continues to suck up the energy, this fountain will dry up too. Kalau misalnya si Mako reactor terus nyedotin, ini si fountain kayak gini juga bakalan kering katanya. Mata air ya fountainnya. Materia, ini materia murni guys. When you condense Mako energy, a material is produced. Very rare to see materia in its natural state. Jadi materia tuh guys, kita tuh kalau di FF7 kan taunya bulat-bulat. Aslinya materia tuh terbentuknya gini gitu. By the way, why is it that when you use materia you can also use magic too? Kok pas pakai materia kita bisa pakai magic juga? You were in soldier and didn't even know that. Kamu udah masuk soldier tapi kan nggak tahu kayak gitu. The knowledge and wisdom of the ancients is held in materia. Jadi pengetahuan, wisdomnya si ancient ini ada di dalam materia. Jadi ingatannya, memorinya gitu-gitu ada di dalam materia. Jadi kalau kita pakai materia itu kita tuh kayak minjem guys ingatannya, memorinya. Anyone with this knowledge itu kan, pengetahuan, can freely use the power of the land and the planet. That knowledge interacts between ourselves and the planet, calling up magic, or so they say. Ini bagusnya FF7 ini sih, dijelasin kenapa magic itu bisa ada gitu. Magic a mysterious power. Did I say something funny? A man once told me never to use unscientific term like mysterious power. It should even be a cold magic. I still remember how angry he was. Who was that? Hojo of Shinra, si Zinga, an inexperienced man assigned to take over the work of a great scientist. Jadi dia ngambil alih ini ya, saintis yang lebih hebat ya. He was walking a mass of complexes. A map of fontaines. So this is where knowledge of the ancient is. Lanjut. Sampai ya mako reaktornya. We finally made it. We sure took the long way through. Viva, you wait here. Tunggu di sini. I'm going inside too. I wanna see. Aku mau lihat. Only authorized people are allowed in. This place is full of Shinra industrial secret. But take care of the lady. Disuruh jagain. You better keep me safe. Better take real good care of me then. This is Genova, right? It won't open. Gak kebuka. Ini Genova, guys. Asalnya di sini. 057S. This is the reason for the malfunction. This part is broken. Cloud, close the valve. Katupnya ditutup, Cloud. Mana sih? Di mana? Ini. Why did it break? Oh, ini rusak. Now I see, Hojo. But doing this will never put you on the same level as Professor Gas. Jadi asalnya ada profesor yang lebih dari Hojo, guys. Jadi guys, si Hojo tuh kayak supportnya aja gitu. Ngelakuin ini tuh lu nggak akan bakalan ada di level yang sama dengan Professor Gas. This is a system that condenses and freeze the Mako energy. That is when it's working correctly. Jadi ini tuh tempat untuk bekuin ya, ngebentuk si materia. Untuk ngebentuk materia itu pakai ini, guys. Now what does Mako energy become when it's further condensed? Become materia. Right, normally, but Hojo put something else in there. Take a look. Jadi si Hojo masukin sesuatu lagi yang lain. Iya. Orang ya dan orang coy, jadiin eksperimen ya dan. What's that? Normal member of soldier are humans that have been showered with Mako. Jadi orang biasa itu member soldier itu manusia yang dimandiin sama Mako lah. You're different from the other but still human. Jadi kuat guys karena dibanjurin sama Mako. But what are they? They've been exposed to a higher degree of Mako than you. Is this some kind of monster? Ini monster nih. Exactly, and it's Hojo of Shinra that produced this monster. Si Hojo yang bikin mutated living organism produced by Mako energy. That's what this monster really are. Normal member of soldier? You mean you're different? Yang normal, soldier yang normal. Maksudnya kamu beda, Sephiroth. Nah mulai nih Sephiroth. Hey Sephiroth, no. Was I create something? Wah, ngamuk lihat. I created this way too. Aku diciptain kayak gini juga. Am I the same as all these monster? Kayak apakah aku sama monster-monster ini? Sephiroth. Identity crisis ya kan? You saw it. All of them were human. Mereka dulu manusia. Human? Gak mungkin. Ever since I was small, I felt, wah, semenjak aku kecil aku emang ngerasain aku tuh beda dari yang lain. Aku special, but not like this. Tapi nggak kayak gini. Ada yang keluar ya. Am I a human? Am I human? Aku manusia gitu. I didn't really understand what separate mean then. I was ever more surprised than Shinra was producing monster. Jadi si Cloud nggak tahu kalau Shinra itu memproduksi monster. Damn Shinra. The more I hear, the more I hate them. Makin denger makin benci gua sama Shinra katanya. Who would have ever thought the Mako reactor held such a secret? That would seems to explain the increase in the number of monsters recently. Pasti itu ngejelasin kenapa kok makin banyak monster gitu guys. I think we should listen carefully to Cloud. Don't you think so, Barret? Keep talking dong. Hooking his damn nose in where it don't belong. Cloud, why don't you finish that story? Tifa, were you waiting outside then? Yes. We return to Nibelheim. Si Tifa kan nungguin di luar. Terus kita balik ke Nibelheim. Sephiroth confined himself to the inn. He didn't even try to talk to me. Mulai diem si Sephirothnya. Then all of the sudden he just disappeared. Tiba-tiba ngilang gitu. Si Sephirothnya. We found him inside the biggest building in Nibelheim. Kita nemuin dia di bangunan terbesar di Nibelheim. The villagers used to call it the Shinra Mansion. Long ago, people from Shinra used to live in that mansion. Oh, beda ya ceritanya ya. Dulu orang-orang Shinra itu apa? Orang-orang di sini tinggal di situ. Kalau di remake itu kan si Shinra Mansion ini emang dibangun sama Shinra gitu guys. Dan salah satu benefitnya adalah mereka itu ngasih duit ke rakyat di Nibelheim. Makanya orang-orang di Nibelheim itu pada bisa punya penghasilan stabil itu dari gedung gede ini yang di sewa sama Shinra lah ya. Bukan sewa deh, dibangun tapi dibayar untuk inilah. Ibaratnya kayak surat izin lah ngebangun ini di sini gitu. Di tahun jadi didanain terus orang-orang di desa ini kalau di remake. Nggak bisa ya, ya udah berarti ini malah langsung Sephiroth aja lah. Sephiroth di sini nih. Ini kan tempat laboratorium juga, tempat Oh, belum bisa ya, Nggak bisa interact nih kita. Nggak bisa, ya udahlah. Nah, Sephiroth ya. And apparently that organism was found in 2,000-year-old geological stratum. Professor Gas named that organism Genova. Jadi ya yang nemuin Genova itu pertama kali si Professor Gas dulu guys. Dan yang neliti X year, X month, X day, Genova considered to be an ancient. Jadi si Professor Gas itu mengklasifikasi si Genova itu sebagai seorang ancient. X year, X month, X day, Genova project approved. The use of Mako Reactor 1 approved for use. Nah, kalau ini berarti gak begitu detail ya ininya. Kalau di remake itu diceritain kalau Genova ini diteliti sama Profesor Gas itu demi rangka pingin dibangkitin guys. My mother name is Genova. Genova Project. Is this just a coincidence? Nama ibu gue Genova. Terus ini ada Genova Project. Ini kebetulan nggak nih? Profesor Gas, why did you tell me anything? Why did you die? Kenapa kamu mati gitu? Kenapa kamu nggak ceritain segala sesuatunya ke aku gitu? Let me be alone. Cabut kita. Ini keren nih sih guys. Sephiroth didn't come out of the Shinra mansion. Bukunya makin lama makin numpuk kan. Terus baca dia berhari-hari, cuma baca doang. He continued to read as if he were possessed by something, and not once did the light in the basement go out. Jadi dia itu kayak kesurupan gitu. Baca terus kayak orang kesurupan gitu. Bahkan nah ini di sini gila sih lagunya guys. Jujur ini ngalahin Rebirth sih, jauh banget. Kenapa sih nggak dibikin ini aja sih lagunya waktu di Rebirth? Pas Sephirothnya mulai berubah di sini nih. Lampu di basement nggak pernah sampai padam gitu, saking Sephiroth terus-terusan di situ. Ini sih harusnya ini sih lagunya. Mulai gelo nih Sephirothnya nih. Who is it? Siapa nih? Traitor. Pengkhianat katanya. Traitor? You ignorant traitor, I'll tell you. This planet originally belonged to the Cetra. Cetra was an itinerant race. They would migrate in, settle the planet, then move on. At the end of their hard, long journey, it was said they would find the promised land and supreme happiness. Jadi kalau di sini Cetra itu belum nemu ya. Belum nemu promised land, but those who dislike journeying appeared. They stopped their migration, built shelter, and elected to lead an easier life. Kalau di sini tuh diceritainnya Cetra itu berpindah-pindah gitu ya, berpindah-pindah untuk nemuin promised land. Terus tiba-tiba dihentiin sama ini si Shinra. Build shelter and elected to lead an easier life, untuk dapat kehidupan yang nyaman gitu. Jadi energi bumi dipakai untuk listrik. They took which the Cetra and the planet had made without giving back one with in return. Mereka ngambil apa yang dibikin sama planet dan Cetra tanpa timbal balik. Those are your ancestor. Itu nenek moyang kamu, kata si Cloud. Sephiroth? Long ago, disaster struck the planet. Your ancestor escaped. They survived because they hid. Jadi ada bencana gitu ya, jatuh ke bumi. Tapi si nenek moyangnya si Cloud ini, ya manusia lah ya. Mereka itu selamat karena mereka itu kabur dan nyumput. The planet was saved by sacrificing the Cetra. After that, your ancestor continued to multiply. Jadi planet itu terselamatkan dengan mengorbankan Cetra. Setelah itu nenek moyangnya terus berkembang biak gitu. Now all that's left of the Cetra is in this report. Sisanya cuma jadi laporan doang. What does that have to do with you? Terus itu apa hubungannya sama lu? Don't you see? An ancient named Genova was found in a 2,000 years old geological stratum, the Genova Project. The Genova Project wanted to produce people with the power of the ancient, or the Cetra. Genova Project mau memproduksi manusia-manusia dengan kekuatan ancient. I am what was produced. Jadi aku yang diciptakan gitu. Produce? Yes. Professor Gas, leader of the Geneva Project and geoscientist, produced me. Jadi dia yang nyiptain si Professor Gas. How did he? Sephiroth. Out of my way, I'm going to see my mother. Lagunya guys berubah. Ini sih yang hilang. Ini sayang banget, hilang banget ini di Rebirth. Dari cek tiba-tiba langsung lagunya Sephiroth. Langsung kebakaran dan kampungnya. Sanggan, hey it's you, you're still sane right? Kamu masih waras kan? Then come over here and help me. Check this house, check that one over there. Sephiroth. Terrible, Sephiroth. This is too terrible. Ngebantain orang Sephirothnya. Cerot. Wah gila, keren banget ya. Dang. Wah gila. $1 million shoot ini. $1 million shot ya. Ke Mako Reactor ya, ngambil ke tempat Genova. Ngasih tipa, Papa, Sephiroth. Did Sephiroth do this to you? Mati bapaknya. Sephiroth, Soldier, Mako Reactor, Shinra. I'm sick of this. I hate them all. Diambil. Mother, I'm here to see you. Please open this door. Stiva. How could you do that to Papa and all the townspeople? Up. Jebret ditebas ya dan Stiva. Duk, duk. You promised that you'd come when I was in trouble. Keren sih lagunya ya Dan ya. Mother, let's take the planet back together. I've thought of great idea. Let's go to Promised Land. Kita ke Promised Land. Saffron. My family, my hometown. How could you do this to them? They've come again, Mother. With her superior power, knowledge, and magic, Mother was destined to become the ruler of this planet. Harusnya Jenova itu jadi penguasa planet ini. But there, gila lihat kak ininya, maksudnya keren banget kan. Those worthless creature are stealing the planet from the mother. Gila, but now I'm here with you. So don't worry. Di bedol ya. What about my sadness, my family, friends, the sadness of having my town taken away from me? It's the same as your sadness. My sadness. What do I have to be sad about? Kesedihanku. Aku harus sedih karena apa? I am the chosen one. I have been chosen to be the leader of this planet. Aku itu ada yang terpilih karena aku itu dipilih sebagai pemimpinnya lah dari planet ini. I have orders to take the planet back from you stupid people for the Setra. What should I be sad about? Untuk rakyat Setra ya, Saffron, I trusted you. No, you're not Sephiroth I used to know. Kamu bukan Sephiroth yang aku tahu. Udah sampai sini doang ingatannya. And that's the end of my story. Wait a damn minute. That's it? No more? I don't remember. What's happened to Sephiroth? In terms of skill, I couldn't have killed him. Kalau dari kemampuan sih, gue nggak mungkin bisa ngalahin dia sepertinya. Official record state Sephiroth is dead. Jadi secara official Sephiroth itu udah mati. I read it in the newspaper, di koran ada beritanya. Shinra owns no newspaper. You can't rely on that. Kan yang punyanya Shinra, nggak bisa diandelin itu perkoran. I want to know the truth. I want to know what happened. Aku pengen tahu yang sebenarnya tuh kenapa. I challenge Sephiroth and leave. Why didn't he kill me? Aku nantangin dia, tapi kenapa dia nggak bunuh aku gitu kata Sephiroth. I'm alive too. A lot of this doesn't make sense. Semuanya ini nggak masuk akal. What about Jenova? It was in the Silver Building, right? Shinra ship it from Nibelheim to Midgar. Jadi dipindahin sih di Novanya. Did someone carry out later? It was missing from Shinra building. Terus orang ngambil gitu dari Shinra building gitu karena udah hilang juga dari Shinra building. Sephiroth. Ini Sephiroth nih. Damn, none of this makes sense. I'm going, gone. Oh, gila kata si Barret. And I'm leaving thinking to you. Yo, Claude, let's get move on. Wait a sec. Claude, what's wrong? You just gonna stand there while Sephiroth heads for the promised land? I ain't letting see if Sephiroth or Shinra get to no promised land. If they do, then we're all screwed. You know what I'm saying? Oh, brother. That's good enough. Cloud? How bad was I after Sephiroth stabbed me? Seberapa buruk keadaan gua waktu Sephiroth tebas? I thought you were goner. I was so sad. Aku kira kamu meninggal. Aku sedih banget waktu itu. I, the ancient Cetra, Jenova, Sephiroth, and myself. Let's go. Barret's waiting. What fascinating story. Yo, Claude, here. VHS. Bentar, di atas tuh ada sesuatu nggak sih? Ini nggak bisa diambil guys, ketinggian. Terus, pencet. Nanti ditendang deh sama si Cloud. Duh, damn. Mega elixir nggak tuh? Udah sih itu doang kan. Nih, gitar. It's to Shinra. Beautiful of him. Beda sih, tapi ini bener. Emang ya nantilah gua main remake bakalan diliatin lah. Main remake sama Rebirth dibedain. Jawaban itu tuh ngaruh ntar. Ini nggak bisa dibangun. Nggak bisa. Did you say you came from Midgar? I used to live there too, but I heard there got lots of trouble. Getar lagi. Kuncinya tuh di mana ya? Lupa gua. Kalau nggak salah ada kuncinya deh itu kotaknya. There was a suspicious looking man in a black cloak. He was carrying a mean looking sword. Oh, Sephiroth dong. My brother is so stupid somebody I could just poop. Yuk. Mana ya kuncinya? Cursor itu penting banget itu. Peacemaker. Senjatanya si Vincent. Kalau lihat gini ya guys ya, terus main Rebirth, wah gila sih Rebirth. Bener-bener disulap ini kota yang kayak gini jadi indah banget di Rebirth. Is it true that Shinra makes a monster? It's true. Mereka ini tergantungan ya sama Mako Reaktor. Mana ya? Di mana kuncinya ya? Apa item ya? Gila, duit gue banyak coy. Ini beli deh 10. Wah, jangan kebanyakan. Itu dia slot, store. Beli. Magic beli lagi. Selanjutnya kita senjata. Terus saber jelek. Erit. Oke. Oke. Gue lupa di mana kuncinya ya. It seemed there was this group called Avalanche running around, but I guess soldier finally wiped them out. Me, I used to work in a mine down south called Miltrail Mine. Tapi monster mulai muncul. Stay out of the kitchen. Ah, lupa gua, nanti aja lah. Dari sini ya. Aduh, kepencet lagi. Aduh, biarin lah. Tell me. Cepirot. Bener-bener jalan-jalan anjir di sini mah security. Oke, jadi part sekarang sampai situ dulu guys. Udah dapat backgroundnya ya, kenapa Sephiroth bisa muncul dan jahat. Bener-bener trouble-nya bener-bener berpindah ya dari Midgar ke sini ke Sephiroth. Nanti kita main lanjutannya remake dan rebirth, kita lihat perbedaannya. Oke guys, makasih yang udah nonton videonya sampai beres. Jangan lupa di like, di share, dan di subscribe. Sampai jumpa guys di video gua selanjutnya. See you.